Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about pressure control and how to do blending and then how to create depth. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about pressure control. As you can already see, I've done something here. So pressure control is when you put light pressure on your pencil, you get a lighter shade, but as you put more pressure on your pencil, then you get a darker shade. The key is to hold your pencil this way only, not this way, because that's not how you do shading. At least I do not do like that, because it's really difficult to get a lighter shade when you hold your pencil this way. Yeah, but if you want a darker shade, you can always go holding your pencil like this, but I would suggest not to. It is much easier to hold the pencil this way, so I would recommend to just practice, like start shading with really light hands, this, and then start putting pressure on your pencil, more and more pressure as you go down. That is that. Now I'm gonna show you how to blend two different shades together. So suppose I have this really light shade right here and a really dark shade, right? So as you can see the contrast between the two. Now I'm gonna teach you how to blend two different colors, right? So what you're gonna do is we are gonna use the pressure control technique here. Just put really light pressure over the line where the two different color meet, right? Like this. Start building the color. So the key here is to put light pressure, not really light because we have a dark shade here, but not too dark because we have a light shade here. So somewhere in between, over the line where both the color meet, like this. Slowly build the color. Right now, so now what you are gonna do is go in circular motion. I like to go in circular motion rather than going straight like this. I go like this, right? Like small circular motions. So I'm just starting, like when I am on the darker shade, I put more pressure and I do that circulation thing, and then as I go over my lighter shade, I start putting light pressure, but in the circular motion. And as I go upwards, I just put the pressure accordingly, just to blend the colors. I think this technique where I like go in a circular motion is really good. Now as you can see, the lighter shade is perfectly blended with this shade right here, but still you can see that the darker shade is not yet perfectly blended with this shade. So I'm gonna build my color over here. Like that. And that's basically it. You just have to learn the technique of the pressure control, and I would recommend you to use the circular motion technique. It's pretty cool. That's it. Now I'm gonna show you how to add depth to your drawings. So for that, obviously you're gonna need some sketching pencils, right? So let me first draw something. So suppose I have this little box right here where I want the darker shades right here and the lighter shades here. Right, so first I'm just gonna color it with the basic shade, the basic general shade, right? I'm gonna shade the darker side of the object, like really roughly, right? And then just gonna blend that out. So for blending, always use circular motion technique, like this. And if sometimes you feel like that the lighter side of the object is not really light, then I would suggest you to take your eraser and just tap over the lighter area and it'll go away. You don't have to rub over it, just tap the rubber or the eraser over that. Now you are gonna need your sketching pencil. So sometimes I use 8B or sometimes 6B, but here I'm only gonna use 6B. So what you have to do is just start putting more and more pressure to give depth to the object. You can use regular pencil to shade, but it would not look 3D or like it is jumping out of the paper, so to speak, like this. And with the same pencil I tend to blend everything. So yeah, and you can always go back and make the light area look more lighter by tapping your rubber over it, and you can use your regular pencil to blend it out. I don't know, like I'm really bad at explaining things, still I'm like trying my best to do this.